After discussing the syllabus and exam pattern, I will now start first chapter of biology, that is life process. The total sum or the process which are mandatory for an organism to stay alive, such as nutrition, respiration, excretion, circulation of various materials such as food, blood, oxygen, carbon dioxide, various chemicals or various elements. It is known as life process. Clear? Now we will talk about criteria of living. As we know that growth and movement, it is seen in both, such as in both living and non-living. You might have seen that in some cases non-livings also grow and they also move or they locomote. We can take the example of the Great Himalayas. You might have studied in class 9th. Its height is increasing day by day. It means growth is taking place in non-living. The next one is movement. You might have seen movement of air or movement of water. So we can say growth and movement, they are present, they are found in both living and non-living. Clear? But there are few things which are only present in living organism, such as consciousness. It means responding to a stimuli. If there is a change in atmosphere, we respond to it quickly. The other one is metabolism. It is a complex process, metabolism. There are two parts in it. The first one is catabolism. 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 Catabolism refers to cutting of complex material to simpler form, such as this is a complex material. We have taken carbohydrates, then it is converted into simpler parts. This is known as catabolism. Clear? The second part of metabolism is anabolism. Anabolism. Anabolism, it is a process in which complex material, or we can say in which simpler materials, smaller materials, they combine to form a big molecules. In this simpler materials combine to form a big molecule, it is known as anabolism. For remembrance, we can learn it as catabolism, it means cutting, and anabolism, it means addition. It means adding. Clear? Now and the third one is cellular organization. They have exact or they have particular organization of the cells. These are the criteria for living organism. Now we will start another topic, that is nutrition. You can see the definition on your screen, that the process in which an organism takes in food, utilizes it to get energy for growth, repair and maintenance, catabolism, excretion, etc. This is the definition of nutrition. In simple terms, we can say that nutrition is a process by which we are intaking food and getting energy for our various process. Okay, now there are two types of nutrition. The first one is autotrophic and second one is heterotrophic. Auto means self, or auto means self, and trophos means to nourish. The organism which make their own food or which are not dependent on any other organism are known as autotrophic or known as autotrophs, and the mode by which they used to take their food is autotrophic nutrition. For example, plant, algae, blue green bacteria. It is of two types. Autotrophic is of two types. The first one is chemoautotrophic, the other one is photoautotrophic. Chemoautotrophic means from inorganic chemicals. The organisms which make their food from inorganic chemicals are known as chemoautotrophics, such as rhizobium. You might have heard about rhizobium. There is a nitrogen fixing bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria Basically, you might have seen in leguminous plant, in the root nodules of leguminous plant. It is a nodule like structure in leguminous plant, such as it is a soil surface, and these are the root nodules of leguminous plant. You might have studied in class 8th about this. The other one is photoautotrophic nutrition. The type of nutrition in which an autotroph depends on sunlight for its food. For example, green plants. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water inside inside a cell organelle, which is also known as kitchen of the cell. It is chloroplast. This is one of the most important organelle for photosynthesis. If human being develops this structure in his body, he will become superpower. Now, there are various raw materials for photosynthesis. The first one is carbon dioxide and other one is water. You can see the reaction on your screen, in which 6 CO2, that is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of water, they combine to form C6H12O6, that is glucose, 6O2 and 6H2O. Here the mandatory things are sunlight and chlorophyll. Remember this thing, in junior classes you have studied 6H2O, but it's 12H2O. How? You might have seen that water droplets in the morning when you walk on the grasses. These are due to this H2O. You will get the full explanation in the class. Don't worry about this. I'll explain it once again. So here are some key points for your photosynthesis. Rest I will discuss in next lecture. You can take the screenshot of this if you want. Clear? Okay class, thank you.